Alrighty, brother. We got some stuff I've been working on. So, yeah, it was a test app for testing out a library I was building. This, like, I can just fetch these defs within this file, and, it'll run these. So, let me show you it. Alright, so, like, let's browse the folders. I already have the JSONs already parsed out, but it can split it for you. So, like, when you download from an API, which is like a large repository of data for something, which for me it's just Yu-Gi-Oh cards, it produces one big JSON file, and I have like an option where you load the JSON file and you click it, you'll click split. You can also click output if it outputted it all on one line, but usually it'll help parse that regardless. But you'll click split and then it'll say like, hey, do you want to split here, here, here? Actually, I can show you. Oh yeah, add. So if I were to click split, you see 792,000 lines. But I can split it like based on like the split right here, so I can split it based on data. I can split it based on the individual objects. I can also split it based off the main object. I don't need to go any deeper than that. And then you can also use a naming key. It'll use like this right here, or if I were to type, it would use that as a naming key, or if I type ID, it would use that as a naming key. But I just use the name as a naming key. So I'll click the split folder, select, and you can see it has 14,000 files. I'll add those. And then this is like where the cool part comes in. You can download the card image and then build a 3D card model with it that you can move around. Actually, let me delete this real quick, because I changed the text for the name to white to fit the actual style. Also, this window is top always, top priority. That's folder reset. I click a different one back. Cropped. I don't even know what this song is. I don't think I've ever heard it. To call this sequence. Alright, there we go. And generate a card. I need to optimize this more. Like, as you can see, like I already have it where it uses LOD for like whenever I click and drag the photo to lower quality of the image, so it works easier. And whenever it like fully loads, it has like the high quality, but as you can see, it lowers. Boom, stop, it goes back. I still have more data to add this right here. Card set number. For the spell card, mostly everything's done. You see it has a white name now, but if I click like that, download a new image, and it can handle. I got the levels done right. I don't know. Edges on the levels are weird. Earth kind of. I literally went and like took a card into like GIMP, and then I matched my PNGs with their PNGs to get like the actual size and like the data for how it is. So I don't know if this is from my quality that I'm. try no imagery sampling actually. See what that does. Should just keep this open. Keep closing it for no reason. I need to also set a minimum width for these buttons because I want them to be a little more padded. Oh, also check this out. So if I go to like that, compare changes, it'll highlight the changes. Also a system output log, so I don't have to just keep looking at the logs from here. Root changes. I should also make root changes when I click it, run a check for changes automatically, so it doesn't get rid of anything. Highlight it. And I gotta change that.
I ain't tripping about no bitch, I'm laying down. I ain't tripping about no money, fucker, I'ma spend it all. What I got in the bank, I'm finna rip it up. What you got in your shit, I'ma fuck it up. Sword in my hand, gonna fuck you up, lift you up. I can't give a fuck, bro. I can't give a fuck, bro.
And I keep closing this, dude.
I can't give a fuck, bro.
Come on. Jesus Christ.
2 nights I haven't read, and my ego's feeling dead good. Living in my head, run away from what I said, nah. Guard dogs, and I brand new. No pistols, had to make it through. No attention, 3 big racks, I'm running solo. I can't move on cause the last one was a no-show. It doesn't exist, with no friends now. Gotta find my way to like a Zimmer every minute. Yeah, I can't fake it out.
You can also adjust the thickness of this like internal layer. I have it set to 2 right now, but I can set it to like 4, 10, 100, like a big old block. It looks good like that.
I could lie and say I'm fine, bro. Erosion over time is just
I
gonna
like
fall
this.
down. I need to cut off this perspective, feeling lost now.
No.
Metatron, go to palm, you send me
That might
inbound.
be some
Wanna
PNG.
seek out,
Perhaps I'm
I don't keep it. I don't understand why they all flock to the same thing, it don't make sense. You were the fucking best that I never had. They call me out in public, gotta run from what I started. Away from the sign of connection, I know I need it. You can't tell me that you don't wanna see what I became. I don't wanna do a thing, but I'm expecting it slowly and slowly and slowly. Slowly and slowly and slowly. You show me what it meant to be the one sometimes. In the eye of the light, so I create what I saw. When the moments all connecting, you understand what you are. Just a piece of this space, nothing more than or less. How the dragon calls us slowly, but it has to meet its end. Do I really feel like I want this, or is it just pretend? Is it just pretend?
so that should be. Oh yeah, I can also just test it. Personal use. Okay. Yeah, it is a kind of what you're talking about. Image. Good card.
I'm walking straight down on my street. Think they could be like me, but it's not that easy. Okay, and these problems stay on me. Shaking the anxiety. Finally go to sleep. Ego touch is hard to reach. Focus on myself and then maybe I can look and see. Overflow with energy. Rather use this talking piece. I can't make them
Make you size 4 and see what happens then.
every time. I just try to stay alive. Only see the one who cry. Diamond in my pocket. Feelings I can't hide. Put that problem to the side. Gotta take my time. It seems like you just wanna lie. Watching me just like a slide. Flicking on the lights. Let the arrow fly. Negativity inside. I can't seem to fight.
Okay.
Ice in the sky. Touch my eyes now. Better swing it so I strike down. Scriptures on the wall. Ancient meaning. I stay on the ceiling. Everybody is breathing. Council of magicians and they always dealing. Measuring times when I'm speaking. I'm slowly peeking. Awake but I'm dreaming. Dragging on my feet in. Mistakes have gone too hard. It's seen all my life. Put it on you, you decide. I make nature cry. I make nature wanna die. Don't even try. Better make me feel alive. Better free to stay alive.
That was hamming.
Close my eyes, see the sky. Better make me feel alive.
Limit around a quarter of a gigabyte for 24-bit 3BP. Machine. Resampling. Sampling. Sampling. Resampling. Float. Median cut. Live image quantize the image? What the hell? Transform, compose, resampling together for enum and blank, for item and blank, saturate model item. Default filter Huffman. Wonder if there's a way that I could preload the angles. Let's change its height back to 350. Usually runs the thing better. I don't know, so my main issue with the 3D card, trying to get 3D at all, is trying to get it to like be optimized. Cause I could make this bigger, make the FOV shorter. Like, let me see, what is that? Like Fuego slash, I think it's FOV equals 100. See, now the card doesn't even appear because the FOV is too short. But, so it's like... Just straight up just brutal. The hot. Oh yeah, so I gotta put it. Yes, put it in the wrong. Oh man, stupid. Shit checking it. Where's it get frame? Set the FOV. Stab shift. Constant. Yeah, that should all work. Oh. But it would be 1,000. So let's change it to 100. Older add. You see how like the distortion starts to happen. Kill it. So I don't know. Maybe if I run it at like 2,000. Actually, this is so false. Yeah, I want to see what this looks like. I know there's one number I tried yesterday. I think it was 500. Where if you like load it, select it, add it. It was like one yesterday that would like stretch in like such an odd way due to the way the geometry worked. It wasn't 100. It was a 90, maybe 200.
I had to walk up all your stairs.
Yeah. Hey,
Feels so unfair. Can I be honest? Girl, I think I'm off it. Girl, you're taking away more than you're giving to me. You gotta
so
stop
good.
it. You gotta stop it.
That's fun.
Play nice. Wrong times. I've been losing my eyes. I'm losing my eyes. See the color in your eyes. Here we go one more time. Hey. We're playing nice. Tell me one more time. I can see all the skies. You kiss my lips. Give me your love.
Trying to test if it goes outside of the bounds anymore. See what I mean? So good. Also, so when the card is like the actual PNG for the card is made, yeah, it's just like the blank background. Then I draw on all the text. I draw on the spell card, the attribute for the name, the ID, and I just pull it all from here. Next step for me now is I want to input a list, click a button next to sort called process list, and then it would take that list, take all the entries, take each card set for that entry, and create an entry within that list for that card set. And then it would be like first movement solo, card set ID, card set rarity, and whatever else. I don't know. ID? I don't really care. But it'd be pretty cool. That's what I've been working on. I have my own little library now. I had something else. I'm gonna be honest, like I was working on a whole different thing and then I went to this, so I don't know what I was working on.
Keep my distance, I've been cooling. Pass out, wake up in a moment, do I choose it? Fuck no, take the unknown, chuck it far. I'ma go home, smoking on the beach.
Oh yeah, I remember now. I legit quit this because this is how I originally was doing. But I got this one pissed me off so much, bro. It was like 4,000 lines of bullshit. Everything was all crammed together. And this is the reason I even went to creating my own library, so I could just create an app that isn't like 4,000 lines, but 800. Most of that is probably just comments and shit. But yeah, I don't try that one.
Pass out, wake up in a moment, do I choose it? Fuck no, take the unknown, chuck it far. I'ma go home, smoking on the big cigar.
Oh yeah, YG API.
Always felt the same, always want to blame, always knew my name.
API data.
I never felt like I wanted something I got. Like what the
This is
fuck?
a different version I even had earlier.
Always felt the same.
This one still actually works.
Always knew my name, but I never felt
I don't even know
like
why I
I
created the
wanted
second one.
something I got. Like what
But
if
this one, that part is that one's working way better than this. Website's great.
Isn't it confusing? I know I act like I'm a pro, and then I'm gone. Asexual demon in the cut. Now the shorty wanna fuck. I can't really take this love. I can't fucking budge. And we've never been on the same page once. And it's on page one. Like what the fuck?
This is another. I can't believe this. I went. I guess I could just convert this table over. This site, this one is actually really cool. So like, let's go to a website that has a table. could do Pokemon sets too. So I think that is a table. No, so it doesn't detect that. One of these has to have a table with it. What are the odds? Sure. Damn. I never accounted for found 60 tables. So it doesn't have a scroll option. That's hilarious. Face it. Where is it? I swear that. I swear that this site had a Pokemon.
Liberty tripping, please get off of me. I really need these bitches trying to speak on honesty. You're not cool with me. 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 The truth is I ain't tryna argue. Say goodbye, this bitch feel like I'm Mewtwo. I keep me a two. What I tell you, I'ma kill you. I'ma kill you.
Dude, I don't know what it is. There's 100% a website that has the exact same thing like this. It's value. The TCG SVs. Yes, here we go. So zero rows we got. So this I have reset. Whatever, bro. Oh, spoiler view. There we go. Fucking goddamn, bro. Thought I was going crazy. There. I'll convert those into JSONs. So all of this is just so I can try and start creating the Yu-Gi-Oh! TCG mod for Minecraft. But then I got kind of lost in this shit. I think I actually have this one as an exe already. Ugh. This one will show you the entire thing. I have another one that's way better than this, because this text, it'll do, like, I have all codes for it. So like, let's say we're to go like tab, or like boom, boom, bang, bang, parent. Let's copy this. But like, I could take this, which would be like alt 9 file. Name. But essentially, you know, it'd be like the file name would be like blank underscore effect underscore monster, and then it'll take like blank effect underscore pendulum, blah blah blah. This is just for like large parsing of information based on file name. But I have a better one. I'll just kind of leave it there. I don't know. I think if I went back to this one also goes on forever. Not so bad. A lot of defs I can use. Defs in my I love that def. So it wasn't. But this one had the way better. Way more better. But I don't have the card data, but it had a way better export JSON, which I do plan on taking. Do this one. So this will, it has token maps, so it'll be lower upper letter and numbers, where it'll take like the selected data that you put into that tied to that token, so like token folder name. It'll take the folder name and then I don't know. But it creates one for each column that's visible whenever you click the JSON editor. So you can then type in these tokens. So like alt 0 name, alt 0 ID, and it'll put ID for that file. Then you can do up to like 160,000 files, and it'll do that for each file, or it'll put like the specific name for that file, for that data in there. It's pretty cool. But yeah. I'm probably going to move all of that over to the test app, because I honestly need to move a lot of that code into the G-code library. And then figure out how to move it. Been using Gemini a lot, but I don't know, man. It's better if I just kind of like do it myself and understand it, or at least like when it does it completely, like break it down to understand everything. The only thing that's complicated for me at this point is the 3D viewer, which I just don't get. I straight up don't get it. It's so complicated, bro. Like, I get it, but at the same time, it's like, why if I set the height to 700 is it so much? And it's due to the resampling method. Oh yeah. Need to add that back. This is what I want. So I don't want it to do anything with it. Image open, then paste it. Oh, test app. Damn it. Keep fucking closing the damn thing, bro. Other issue is like, you need to get anti-aliasing. Oh, did that fix this? No, they still have the weird black edge. Back it. I'll find a higher quality version later. Oh, dude, check out these GIFs I found. Fuck all this. I'll put on the GIFs. Sort of the background GIFs. These are whatever. The hell is that now? There we go. But like that one's pretty cool. Decent. Lean alert. Lean ascended, son. This is from like a weird, like, so there's this thing called Wibby, bro, that like sends you to just like random old websites. So good, bro. Ugh. Guess I'll show you. Right around here. I think these are pretty cool. It's probably like one of the coolest ones, like due to the way it is like the artifact. So cool, bro. Oh, and let me show you a way how to do this shit. So, like, you know, you got. I was gonna go to this one 'cause this has some cool ones too. But like, let's say you'll hit F12, go to network, hit reload, and sort by type. And then if it is like available, usually it'll be here under like image. But as you can see, it's not. That power concept. But then you'll just go to the inspector. Yeah. One of these should have it. But that has the main logo.
It might need salt like your man's bland ballad. A lot of stuff happens that the news won't tell yous. Blues on L juice, snooze all hell loose. Rake it, take it like the good, the bad, the ugly. Break it rolling through your hood in the caddy buggy. On a softy leather, flossy, fatty juggy. Always threw me off when she told me, Daddy, funk me. I'm like any who's seeds walking all out in the street without any shoes. I guess it's better than some funky socks.
Yeah, there we go. So you can find the background image by clicking on like these things. But as you see, like this one, nothing. That one, nothing. That one, nothing. They're just like solid PNGs that are moving above the black background, so you don't really, can't really pull much from this. But listen.
He busted in, blessed be the Lord, who believe any mess they read up on the message board. If so, I got bridges for the Lolo. Same bitch a gold dry snitch it to the popo. Here, orange peel stokes for the whole tier. Feel like I've been gone over a year. Came home to old gear.
The fuck is this even mean? That's not even English. Like fucking Dutch.
Plead the fifth, sip wine stiffly. Patiently come up and be spiffy in a jiffy. Gift for the grind, criminal mind shifty. Swift with the 9 through a 59
I think it's A there.
Well educated, he heard it when he meditated in deep theta. Let her hate the creep plater. Dedicated cheap skater who keeps data. Say he stays self-medicated to sleep later.
This website's not really the cool one.
Whoever
This
go
is
next
this
on
one.
the mic, he put a booger ill. And made his exit on some
This
calm
is where
shit.
you
Begged
find
him on the
everything. So
regular
you
for
click on
cakes of
there,
more
bing bang.
vomit spit.
Yeah. Huh? Oh. Oi. I think there's one in here that's cut. Where'd Pops go? No response. Crack me. I don't know. I don't really care anymore. Yeah, cool. Yeah.
Okay, fuck it.
I think it was around here where I just stopped. But like that one I kinda want. So I'll just F12 it, network. Reload that motherfucker. Hit type. And usually what we're looking for. GIF, image, any of the things here. What? Why is this motherfucker hitting me with this shit? Why is that cached? What's these PNGs? There's the white line. Hilarious. Like this shit, why is this in the code? Maybe just click on that and save image. That's hilarious, bro. What do we got going on here? So it's just randomly loaded on each page. Is a just like a random fucking image, bro. That is hilarious. Why is that? Is this what's being called from YouTube?
Yeah, bitch, I'm all on top, yeah, I'm on top, you know, yeah, saw me get locked up, yeah, it's blessings in my car, shorty saw me with no hands, I'm a dick in the back of the jar, that was slut, yeah, slut, yeah, we pushing pounds, white bricks, how we pushing, yeah.
So they introduced throttling. Regular 2G refrigerants, but I don't like the dick. Due to the YouTube call, that's where it's taking the longest. Regular 3G. It's so cool, bro. What? 3G is so slow. Holy shit. Pretty good. But then there'll be something like this where I just love it, dude. I gotta keep checking these out. They're so cool. But as you can see, like for this one, the GIF is not there, so you just inspect this. It'll take you to there. Then you can find it right there. You can also find any audio playing usually through here. But then you'll take this, copy this bit, and paste it in front of it. So you just the name slash whatever the link was. Oh, that's one I probably don't want on my PC. Oh my god, I rather like looking it forward through the editor.
I got people that'll do it for me.
So you get the background for those two. And then as you see, like when it moves, like it does like that weird like pixel on, pixel off, pixel on, pixel off, which allows that to show through the background. Another stylistic thing, pretty cool.
What if I don't want to be here? You're here now. But I don't want to be here. You're here now, it's too late. But she doesn't even love me. How she love you? She's unofficial.
Yeah, so just click that. What the hell is that?
I can miss the deadline. When she looked me in the eyes, bitch, I cried.
Channels.
Going through my options, I can run it harder, I can stay and die. Kyoko love me, please I love
How greedy it gets when you zoom in like that. I don't. All I know is just that. That's all I can name it. 206, dude. How many backgrounds does this guy have? But I don't know. Taking on this shit because it'll probably use it at some point. Be cool.
She was seeing me crying. Pray to the clouds, tears mixing with the rain. But it's still the same thing I felt that day.
Whoa. Are these the screenshots of the YouTube channel?
Just someone that you love. Just someone that you love. What is it that I've done?
It must be something tied to the channel name and channel icon banner or something.
Kyoko, tell me you love me. I think you're the one.
Bro, is that not? What the fuck? It's crazy, son. Let me check now. Ooh. What? This one have it bigger. This is told that.
Pick up on my messages, I don't know. In the end, we
Yeah, scare me. That's in the Super Mario 64, Nintendo 64 game. That's the background.
I climb to the tallest tree.
Is that?
I hear the birds sing to
That reminds you. Never mind.
temple hidden in the trees, no one sees.
Oh my god, like, dude, this art style is fucking crazy, son.
Lock the door. Was setting stuck behind the second door. What you do when you're alone? On my own. On my own. 3 paths taken. Inside my mind is vacant. Stand inside a circle like a pagan. In the darkness, deep inside of something ancient. You could chase it.
Whoa.
You could try to fall.
Can I get these hands?
I scream, but no one calls back.
Damn.
And when you're locked inside your mind, there's no key to get out except yourself.
Bro, I feel like that's so inefficient. G underscore. Falling pixel. This thing is a pixel, dude. It's insane. Does that background actually have weight? Shit, man. Shit, ugly. Man, some crazy stuff, some good art. I'll come back later. But also, to my homepage, crazy stuff. I love these websites, bro. Cool, distributed on that cracked in a time. So good, bro. Rip hit counter if you're not a good hit counter. Total hits, ouch. So good, bro. This website is dude, like so good. Oh my god, bro. This one, bro. This art is so horrific. Oh my god. Oh god, the PC demos. It's odds of 404. Essentially, yeah. Walk to the party, I'm throwing it up. I'ma point you a gun if you don't shut it up. Count up the money, I'm running it up. I don't get to the money, I'm broken, I'm stuck. You talking shit, but I don't give a fuck. Need to get out my phone, boy, I'm hanging it up. I can be myself on my free time. When I'm locked in the cell, my mind. Shit off my own, check the time. I can't find no one that I like. I'm getting it, like, let's get a bitch on my red and shit. Sad, bro. So many dead links. You gotta face it. It's so amazing. Look at my mind, it's so vacant. Bro, it's like, what? What does it even mean, son? Think this motherfucker search this site. 2013, bro. Like, so good. Vintage. Vintage Kitchen. Ah. Oh my god. That was so bad, bro. You even center the elements, right? I love it. Take me in. Different days, huh? Still active. That's insane. Rock Band is a good game. so good, bro.
Every time I say what I mean, you don't get it.
Shit.
I try to tell them everything, they don't
It's
get
just
it.
like,
They don't
man,
listen.
it's so crazy finding this stuff. It's like hydroblades, dude. What? Whoa. It's so cool, bro. He made that shit in Doom. What?
So that purple wine, shitty ass day, but I'm doing fine.
Interpol, bro. Could you imagine? Alright, bro. Well, got a little sidetracked there. But yeah, been pretty fun.